Okay, Sue and I are in the process of restoring this front stoop, and the first process is we have to keep it from sinking. This is a complete foundation. What goes below frost, that ain't going nowhere. Somebody just poured this right on top of the over dig, and through the years it's sunk, and if you take a close look you can see they kept capping it, trying to make up for it. We got a big step there, and we're gonna encapsulate this whole thing. So to do that, we had to dig post holes. These are the deepest in front, and over here by the foundation we went down pretty far, and we drilled in 4 holes, kind of hard to see, 4 rebars that are going to get pounded in there, and 2 in the massive part of here to keep this slab from sinking. I don't think it's going to sink anymore, especially what we're doing. These post holes actually go underneath to grab the concrete. So these uprights are going to be poured in every little post hole today, and then we're going to use it as our framing, and we're going to frame a mesh wall, and you will see that as time goes on. So a wall here and a wall here, we're making this 4 inches bigger, so it's going to be a grander entrance, so it's going to look a lot nicer. It won't be falling off of it. Hold on. This is the mesh that we're going to be putting to that rebar. It's called expanded metal. It's got a certain twist to it for when you parge it, it sticks to it really well. So that expanded metal gets tied to every one of these rebars, and the steps are going to be cut out perfect. And we're basically going to parge it. This is going to become a concrete wall, and it's going to be our form. It's a concrete form that stays in. It's a special way of framing, and we're probably going to do the same thing across for the faces of the steps. Structurally, this is going to work out a lot better with the price of lumber these days. Probably cheaper to do it this way, but it's not about the price. It's about being effective and structurally holding this chunk of concrete from ever going anywhere again. All right, stay tuned, and we're going to turn this into a nice decorative piece of concrete.